Stand by, Big Papa. Yeah, I hope everybody's okay over there. No two ways about it, Big Papa. You're watchmaker. I'm waving and stepping.
Sounding good, watchmaker. Absolutely are. 122 Maine, letting you know.
122. Hey, 122, you get a chance. Roll that 5 over to my friend Watchmaker-Tx.
And 155, you want me to roll a 5 to watchmaker? You're in your mobile and you want me to roll a 5 to that watchmaker. 155, we just tried. 122, letting you know.
Watchmaker in the hills, keeping that 5 alive.
Roger that, watchmaker. You're rolling it right back to that 155. We absolutely just rolled it back for you, sir. 122, back out. Bye-bye.
22. Long time since I talked to you. Sound real good as always, sir.
59, Port Express. Different Mill, hello?
Watchmaker in the hills.
Absolutely has been a long time, watchmaker, I gotta tell you, but hey, hopefully it's going to straighten out, and hey, maybe we'll be rolling on through a little bit more. Been a while since Texas has been up here in New England, but hey, I will take a watchmaker. You're sounding real good also. Go ahead.
Working on the station.
Oh, I got some bad news for Watchmaker.
Different Mill.
Papa riding around getting down in this mobile. Working on Frankenstein.
There you go, Mother Nature's playing her little tricks, watchmaker absolutely is. So hey, we're going to wave the hand at you. We'll do it again if we can roll on through. Hey, watchmaker, absolutely good putting the old speak and spoke on you. 122 Maine, back out. Bye-bye.
Got it, my friend. I hope you...
Mr. Shotgun, I appreciate it, man. Have a good one out there.
Me double nickel around the big horn. Double nickel around the big horn working this small hammer.
About the only thing I hear out here in West Texas on my radio, 122. Rude dog, don't wave it.
Hey, we appreciate that, rude dog. Absolutely do. We appreciate you letting me know that we're making it over there to Texas. Absolutely. Hey, you're sounding good yourself, rude dog. 122, just kicking it back.
Alright, Mr. Shotgun.
What's really going on out here in the world of sound?
Buck, no doubt about it. You'll bring a Bible thumper, I'm just stepping out.
It's good to be able to finally talk to you again. It's been a minute. Hey, 122, have a good day, rude dog, and I'm going to sit back.
Right back at you, rude dog. Right back at you. It's been a pleasure. We'll do it again. 122, northeast corner, state of Maine, out of the road. Bye-bye.
How about it out there? Anybody else want to try to get up in this live feed with Bible? Live feed rolling over in no truck CB sales.
Nobody move, nobody gets hurt.
Breaker.
Well, Bible Thumper, you're showing up in the corner. Absolutely are a Bible Thumper. 122 Maine, letting you know, sir.
Try.
Oh, Big Papa, ain't no doubt about it. You sounded good. I've been listening to you. I heard a few more people call my name out there. Hey, man, it's good to get out. I'm not at home on that old base station. But this old Bible Thumper mobile's dropping it down today. Ain't no doubt about it. Mother Nature's helping me, for sure. That's no Frankenstein. Old Frankenstein, this old S9 with this old 4300-300 cabinet stuck on the bottom of it, getting on down.
Sounding a whole lot of good, Bible Thumper, absolutely. That automobile's rolling. Hey, Bible Thumper, that automobile's rolling way up north. 122 northeast corner, state of Maine. Bumping it down, just letting you know.
All right, 122, ain't no doubt about it. 122, you sounded grand out here in Texas. Mr. 122, I appreciate you bumping it down with me out here, no doubt about it. Old Bible Thumper riding around, getting down in this old Bible Thumper mobile. We ain't working very many fields. We doing the deal, we getting it done, no doubt about it. Bible Thumper out here getting up.
Oh, no doubt about it. You're doing the deal. You got it going on. Hey, Bible Thumper, it's sounding real good. You take care. Sounding good out of Texas. 122 Maine, getting out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.